All right. It's Brian Farrell, and I'm back. So it is 2023, and it's all about me and you getting that money for the brand new year. So we're gonna keep doing it like we did last year, but this year we're gonna turn it up a little bit more. So right now, I just want to wish you guys a happy new year and let you know things are still going good, still going great, but you got to keep pushing forward if you want to keep doing better. All right. So right now, I want to show you guys one of my favorite websites that I've been earning money on for 2 years now. I've been loving this website. I want to show you, you know, just is how easy it is to get paid from this simple website. It's so easy to do. There's so many ways to get paid. So let's jump right in it. Now, as you can see, we're on Cointiply. Now, I've shown you videos before on how to use Cointiply to take advantage of earning money on very simple, quick, easy tasks to do. And it's so easy that anyone can do it. Almost any country. Um, you don't want to use a VPN on this website because it will restrict some of your access. Normally, I tell you use a VPN on almost anything you do online, especially when it's a crypto. But this website right here, it's very trustworthy. It's been up and running for over 2 years. I've never seen them go down. I've never seen any lag time. I've never seen any button that clicks not click correctly. I've never missed out on a payment. Everything scrolls very quickly. It's very responsive. There's an active chat support, that's there 24/7, 7 days a week. Right now it's Saturday night, so I'm just going to show you real quick. To get started with this, all you gotta need is input your email address right here. Of course, once you clicked on my link below this video or the link in the description, you will see how to get right to the Cointiply homepage. Like I said, all you need is your email address to get started. Free email address. I recommend using Gmail. Make sure it's a valid email address because you will need to verify your email address when you're ready to withdraw the money that you're going to earn from this website. All right. So once you put in your email address, you're going to go over to your email account, going to verify your account, and then you're ready to rock and roll. Okay. Now I've already got my account set up as you already know, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in, and we're gonna jump right into this. Right. We're gonna go ahead and use the captcha. Great security site on there's security features on this website. Very easy to pass and get logged in. So we'll plop that in real quick, and then we'll show you how we get this money. And also today, I'm going to do a withdrawal just to show you guys here in 2023, this site is still paying out. Okay. Now, when you first come to the website, you're going to see a lot of things you can review here. Okay. You got your profile, you can earn coins. The main thing that puts you on first because everybody's here to earn them coins, right? Let's get them coins. Now, you have some quests, there's some bonus rewards here. One of my primary things I earn from is the faucet. Of course, you got your settings, your promos, news, help, crypto prices, all that, right? If you scroll through the site, it looks like it could be a lot of info, a lot of things you can do, right? What I suggest always if you're the brand new user here, come up to the dashboard, just hover over the dashboard and just click on Getting Started Guide. I mean, it's right there telling you what to do to get started, right? You click on it, it tells you claim from the faucet, watch videos, play games, and then you can complete surveys. You can view PTC ads, you can refer users. Me personally, I focus on faucet, watching videos. You know, sometimes I do ads, and then if you want to refer users, you can. You make a little. You can earn up to 25% off of their earnings if you choose to. Not required. You don't have to spend a single penny on this website. You do not have to refer a single user. But if you did either one of those things, of course you're going to earn money faster. Me personally, I've never put a dime in here, but I always get paid out, making free money from just making simple clicks to the website or doing very easy tasks just a few moments a day, not very hard to do at all. As you see right now, I have earned 237,362 coins, which breaks down to $23.73. Okay. Now check this out, guys. This is really cool. This website actually holds your earnings in actual US dollar value. Okay. But when you're ready to get paid out, they're going to pay you out in the Bitcoin equivalent of that USD value at the time of your withdrawal. Let me say that again. When you're earning coins, and those coins represent a 1-to-1 ratio of a USD value, US dollar value. Okay. When you're ready to cash out, you'll be cashed out in electronic Bitcoin worth your dollar amount that you've been earning. So therefore, your price isn't going to fluctuate like Bitcoin does. The amount you've earned isn't going to fluctuate while you're earning more on the site. All it's going to do is keep rising and rising and rising as you're doing tasks. And then, of course, you're going to withdraw it to your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, very simple, easy way to do. Okay, so let me show you some of the quick, easy things that I do. As I come here and I click the Cointiply faucet, you can do this faucet once every hour, okay? And of course, if you roll between these numbers, this is how many coins you get. If you roll between these numbers, this is how many coins you get. If you roll between these numbers, this is how many coins you get. The current jackpot is 100,000 coins. And of course, the jackpot is going to be, if you roll 99,999, it would get this jackpot of 100,000 coins, okay? But we don't have to worry about that. The best thing you're going to do is click here, roll the win, solve the mini. Me personally, I always choose the reCAPTCHA option for the security feature here. Just click I'm not a robot, and then we're going to submit that, okay? All right, so I earned 26,000 with my roll. I earned 25 coins, just like that. That's going to be added to the balance right up here, okay? And then you're going to see the timer start to count down, and it'll tell you can come back here and one more hour, okay? So the countdown, you can come back another hour, and you can do it again. Now, if you want to, you can do a multiplier game. You can earn 61% if you want to do that. If you want to go to jump some offers, you can earn money there. Me personally, I just like to do the faucet and then watch videos. Now these videos, you just simply, so easy to do. You just set up a secondary site partnership with Cointiply, and then you turn the videos on. The videos just have to play in the background. You don't even have to actually watch the video. You're just getting paid for the video playing in the background. Free money, easy money, passive money. You can do it in your sleep. I do it in my sleep. I set the video up before I go to bed at night. Turn the video on, and then just let it run throughout the night. Come back in the morning, get my rewards. It's just that simple. Let me show you how it's done. You click on watch video, right? And it's going to take you here to this list of video repeatable offers. Okay. Now these will all be related to the country that you live in right now, and this is why you don't want to use a VPN, because using a VPN will block you from using these video websites, and they're so easy to get paid. You don't want to get blocked from getting that free easy money, right? So you have different video programs you can choose from, or even surveys if you want to do that. Me personally, I like using the very first one, Hideout TV. Okay. When you click on that, if you haven't done so before, if you haven't made an account with them, you're just going to simply click on sign up right here. You're going to use the same email address that you used on your Cointiply account right here. When you create this account, you're going to use the same email over here, okay? Sign up's real simple. You click on sign up. It's going to ask you for your email address. You're going to create a password, and then you're going to go ahead and verify that information, and you're going to get logged in, okay? Then once you're logged in, you can start making that easy money, okay? And let me show you how easy it is to make this money. You just get logged in, okay? Once you're logged into the main page, you can go right here to the menu, and you can go to what's recommended, which I always do. I always go to what recommended, and you'll get these different video channels to choose from, okay? Pick any channel, doesn't matter. And all you gotta do is simply just click on it. Let's say I want to I'm gonna choose this channel here, okay? Now, I've been on here for a long time earning money. I do this almost every night because it's the easiest way to make free money. And you just let the video start playing. And that's it. You don't have to do a single thing. You don't have to click any ads. You don't have to do anything. You don't got to speak to nobody. You don't have to get no referrals. You don't have to do any action at all. You're just letting the video play. Okay, you're just letting the video play, and that's all you got to do. Simple money. And then as you're earning that money, it's going to accumulate some points here, okay, for as you're watching these videos and as they're playing ads during these videos. It's going to accumulate these points. What do you do with these points, Brian? Well, I'm going to tell you what you do with these points. You're going to redeem them, and you're going to redeem them for actual other websites that will pay you out. What's the best website to pay you out? Look right here, Cointiply. Did I just guys show you Cointiply? I did, didn't I? So now that I've been earning plenty of money plenty of points on this website, let's go ahead and do a cash out real quick back to Cointiply. Okay, before we do, let's jump on and show you. Currently, I've got 237,404 coins with Cointiply. That's equivalent to $23.74. When I get ready to cash this out, it's going to cash me out in Bitcoin. All right. So over on my Hideout videos that I've been earning, I'm going to redeem these points now over to Cointiply, okay? If you don't have any of these accounts set up, then of course you're just going to click on link new account, and you're going to provide them with the user ID for that account you want to be linked to. So therefore, when you redeem your points here, you know exactly what website you want them to redeem to. Now, these are other websites you can earn that are free, and you can use them to make, passive money there as well. But we're talking about the best one I know, Cointiply, and that's why it's right at the top, because it's the best one. It's been running for over 2 years. Like I said, no problems. It's phenomenal. They don't pay me to say this stuff, but they pay me for doing simple tasks. So I love it. Anyways, let's go ahead and redeem these points. Now, you're going to choose where you want these points to go to. You're going to select your partner. Like we said, we want to go with Cointiply, right? We'll go choose Cointiply, and we'll see my 31,842 points for watching videos here is going to redeem into 180,438 coins over on Cointiply, okay? Because I said Cointiply will be my partner. Now, look, it tells you have points to accumulate. You just pay them out. The conversion tells you blah, blah, blah. You can read that here. This is a very fast redeem process, okay? I want you guys to see how fast this is. Check this out. I'm going to click redeem, earnings redeemed. Your hideout earnings have been sent to your loyalty rewards partner. We always recommend you log into your account, double check your ensure the successful delivery of your earnings. Not seeing your earnings, give it a few minutes. The servers may be catching up, but also refresh your page. If you feel you haven't been credited at 24 hours, open a support ticket. I've never, ever, ever had to open a support ticket. I've never had my points take more than 24 hours to hit the account. Matter of fact, it only takes a few moments. 23,704. Let's go ahead and refresh that. Let's see where we're at now. Boom. Look at there. Look at there. 421,451 coins. That instantly I earned those coins from the Hideout TV video website were redeemed into Cointiply. Now I've pretty much doubled my Cointiply payout, my earnings, and when I get ready to get paid out in Bitcoin, this amount of Bitcoin I'm going to earn right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that Bitcoin. All right, so let's get that Bitcoin, baby. We're going to go up to your name right here. You're going to select withdraw, and then you can simply withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet. Now, it will tell you the amount of coin balance you have right here. This is the USD value. Like I said, it's going to be a 1-to-1 ratio. How many coins you have, you're going to get that in USD, and they'll pay you out in BTC, equivalent to this USD value right here. Okay, now there is interest being earned. If you have a balance over 35,000 coins, you'll earn 5% interest. So I always recommend that you keep a balance of 35,000 coins so you'll earn your 5% interest continuously. Okay, so when I get ready to withdraw this money, I'm going to withdraw everything minus 35,000 coins because I want to keep my interest there, right? So 421, 451 minus 35,000 coins. I'm going to withdraw 386,451 coins. All right. Now, it's your choice. You can withdraw to Bitcoin, DOGE Wallet, Dash, or LTC. It's up to you. The minimum withdrawal is going to be 50,000 coins to your Bitcoin wallet. If you're doing to the other ones, it's going to be 30,000. Okay. That's no big deal. It's very easy to get 50,000 coins. And you see if there are any fees? No, there are no fees at all, okay? If you don't have one of these wallets, you can get a wallet right here, okay? So we're going to go ahead and withdraw to my Bitcoin wallet. Now, I said that this is going to be for 386,451, right? So let's go ahead and let's get that amount here moved over. This is the exact amount that I want to use. 386,451. You can't put the little comment in there. You just got to have just the regular dollar coin amounts. All right, so let's get that money. Let's go and withdraw, verify the wallet address again. We're good. Got our password in. Cool. Get that money, baby. Okay. Withdrawals has been sent. You can monitor status on the payments page. All right, so that's it. So now, normally the payments hit the wallet within 24, 72 hours. Usually takes much quicker than that. I've never actually taken longer than 24 hours to get paid in the Bitcoin, but we will be looking to receive that Bitcoin value directly to the Bitcoin wallet, and that'd be very quick. So I'll show you on the next screen. We have that looked at when we got paid out. All right, let's get that money, baby.